Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for tuning in again. I am back with another hair review slash install. Today I'm collaborating with a hair company I've never collabed with before. I've collabed with a lot over the years and this one is pretty new to me. So I'm collaborating with WorldNewHair. This is the box that it comes in. Ooh. Open her up. Ooh. I love how it's closed off just like that and has a little sticker on it. It says New World Hair. It comes with so much stuff. Okay, I'm so excited. Let's just go through it. So it comes with a WorldNewHair band. As you guys know, this is the band that you put around the wig so that it is snatched. So we just gonna put it on right now, just because you know I'm trying to represent the brand. So we're gonna leave that on. Ooh, child. So we're gonna leave that on right there. That's to put around the hair to make sure everything is snatched. We can leave that on. What I got some false nails, y'all. I got some 1 minute nail tip. And they're pink, and they're not even shiny, they're like a matte color. It came with a wig cap. What? They gave me some lashes, and these are some mink lashes. They gave me some lashes, y'all. And these lashes is long. So I got something else. I don't know, what is this? What is this? I don't know what this is. Is this for my lashes? This looks like it's for the lashes, right? To like comb it. Anybody know what this is? If you know, can you write in the comments below? Because I don't know what this is. So it comes in this long bag and it says it is 26 inches. Okay. Okay. We don't need that. Okay. It's packaged really well. It has little clips. Okay, look. Oh, the lace is super long. Look at this lace. Oh, we're gonna have to tint this lace, baby. So this is how the hair looks. It looks like it's not a ginger. It looks like it's like a strawberry blonde, but I'll get the correct color of the hair in a minute. But this is how it looks. It's 26 inches and it's like a kinky curly. It's really pretty. Wig has 3 clips in the front. It has one huge clip like right here. So it'll go like right there. It has one clip on the side that goes there. And it has another clip on this side and that goes there. It also comes with a detachable thick strap that you can actually like make tight or loose depending on your preference. I'm gonna actually make it a little bit tighter because I like my wigs to be not tight where I'm like squeezing my head, but tight where it feels nice. Then it has a large clip in the back as well. And it has the wig straps that every wig comes with that I always tell you guys about. I'm just gonna see, it comes with that. I'm gonna clip that too. So it's it's gonna be very secure on your head. Oh, ow. Oh, hold on. Oh, okay. Oh, there's so much going on right now. Oh, let me see. Oh, okay. It's really easy to part. It's really soft. It feels super, super soft, like in condition. Like, oh my gosh.
피곤하기도 하지 자존심 때문에 노력했지 이 거리에서 우리 만났었지 잠만 안 하면서 세리의 주인 살며시 한 맛있게 놓쳤지 돈이 문제라면 돈을 벌어야지 어떻게든 내 주머니 속에 들어오던 사실은 마침 일 없이 주위선에 서있어 날마다 문제가 커지고 약하는 가는데 상처는 버리고 If you wanna struggle and you wanna live it now 어떻게 조시하라고 Yeah 가난하고 feeling like human I got my own show 잔인한 everyday 바라봐도 그쪽 아파요 anyway I'm gonna grow So many times I thought I found my way back 난 아직 준비 안 했어 That's a fact 네 말대로 나 움직여 like I don't wanna more 넌 어차피 잠도 안 오고 I'm out of it I'm how I miss that 하지 말라고 후배 wanna hit it let's go back I'm out of it I'm how I miss that 하지 말라고 후배 wanna hit it let's go back I'm out of it
And I changed my top because I haven't worn this top yet. And I was like, you know what? I needed the perfect hair to wear with this top and I feel like this hair is perfect for it. It's really cute. Anyway, so I wet the hair. I was gonna wet it on camera, but I didn't want to get all my clothes and stuff wet and my makeup wet, so I wetted it off camera. But this is how it looks wet. It's really pretty. It's really cute. So I'm thinking if I want to just like kind of leave it straight down and like add some edges, or I was thinking I can do like a little like twist with the hair. Just twisting it a bit like that. Twisting it up like that. And then adding some type of clip. And I'm gonna see, I have this, it's like a pin. It's like a pin, you guys, let me show you. And it has like a flower on it. I'm gonna try to add this. I think it was this clip right here. It has like all these little cute beads dangling off of it. So we're gonna try this one. If I can open it. Okay, I got it open. Okay. Now I'm trying to find the other, okay, here's the other piece of it. So right here. Let's see if I can. Oh, okay. I think it worked. Hold on. I think it worked. Yes, it did work. Oh, look how cute. Look how cute. Look how cute. Oh, I love this little clip. This hair company sent it to me years ago. And I don't know like where they got it from, but it's so cute because it has a little bead. We're gonna use the other one. I think I have another one. Yes, I have another one, but I think the other part fell off. So we're gonna use this and we're gonna do the same thing to this side.
Many times I thought I found my way back. 난 아직 준비한 lesson, that's a fact, yeah. 네 말대로 나 움직여 like I don't wanna morning on 어차피 잠도 안 오고 잠이 올 때가 왔지. Sleep is for weak, 어머님이 그런 소리 말했었지. 거리에 걸었던 이고나 버렸던 비가.
Now I'm gonna add some edges because I don't have any like baby hairs, child. So I'm gonna use my edge brush and I'm going to be using Esha's Slick and Slay 2-in-1 Lock and Twist. It's like a little edge control. I'm gonna use that.
Know what I mean? 보고 싶기도 하지. 맴도던 팽이처럼 도고 돌아왔지. 다음은 TV 길이 맞는지. 다음은 TV 길이 맞는지. 하지 말고 go. Born and ready, let's go. 한만 don't fit. 하지 말고 go. Born and ready, let's. 한만 don't fit. 나 봐 how I missed that. 하지 말고 go. Born and ready, let's go. 한만 don't fit. 나 봐 how I missed that. 하지 말고 go. Born and ready, let's go. Born and ready, let's go. Go, 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 go. Born and ready, let's go. Go, 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 go.
Final look. This is how I decided to style the hair. I put 2 little clips in it. I added a little bit of baby hairs and I let it dry out. I didn't want it to be too wet. I like this look. I think it's really cute. I feel really cute. I feel really youthful. Yeah, but if you are interested in purchasing this hair, do not forget to look in my description box and click on the links so you can grab this beautiful hair. I love this color, especially because it's getting, you know, spring is coming soon. We're in February, right? Maybe next month, I think. Yes, so this is perfect for the spring, perfect color for the spring. I've been doing this color a lot. I really love it on me. It's really pretty. But anyways, I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to keep slaying.